everyone, Goth Astrophysicist here to answer this question. What does dark matter taste like? We'll get to a fun answer in a second, but the realistic answer is nothing, because dark matter doesn't interact with regular matter, so how would you taste it? That's not interesting, so let's get speculative. First of all, taste is a result of the electromagnetic force. Molecules enter our mouths and our nose, they interact with the specialized cells there. Those cells send signals to the brain that say bitter, sour, umami, salt, what have you. All of these are electron interactions. Dark matter doesn't have electrons, or protons, or neutrons, or any of that stuff we're used to. Instead, the leading theory on dark matter is that it is made out of weakly interacting massive particles. And that's not to say that these particles interact weakly, it's to say that they interact via the weak force. Now, the weak force is what makes fission and fusion happen. It fissions large particles like uranium into smaller particles, and it helps to fuse small particles like hydrogen into helium. They only call it weak because it acts on scales less than the width of a proton. So, dark matter does not interact with regular matter via light or electrons or any of the stuff that we're used to. But maybe, and this is a hard maybe for the sake of this thought experiment, maybe dark matter could interact with regular matter through the weak force, through fission and fusion. Both fission of things like uranium and plutonium and fusion of things like hydrogen produce radiation of all kinds. Now, funny enough, radiation does have a taste, although it's less of a taste and more of an error signal produced by your taste buds. If you've ever done any research on the victims of Hiroshima or Chernobyl, you might remember that they all reported a strong taste of metal. Metal is the 404 taste not found error of your taste buds. Something is going on, but your brain does not know how to interpret the signal, so it tastes like metal. A high dose of radiation produces this effect. So if you could bite into a big ball of dark matter, this is my best guess at what it would taste like. Hope this helps. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.